Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to lock Facebook Messenger app with Face ID or Touch ID on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily lock Facebook Messenger or any other app on your iPhone using your Face ID. First of all, we have to open the Shortcuts app on our iPhone. If you don't have a shortcut, then go to your App Store and simply search for Shortcut. All you have to need, install the Shortcut app on your iPhone. Once done, go ahead and launch the Shortcut app first. Then here, select Shortcut, and now to create a new shortcut, tap on this plus icon, tap on Add Action, tap on the search shortcut or the search action box and search for lock screen. All you have to need, select lock screen action. Tap on done. And here we can see the lock screen shortcut created. Now go to automation and tap on new automation. Here scroll down and select app. Now tap on choose. Now all you have to need, select Facebook Messenger and tap on done. And here select is opened and select run immediately and disable notify when run. Now just tap on next. And here tap on my shortcuts, and from your shortcut list you have to select the lock screen shortcut you've just created. Once done, that's it. Now let's try to open my Messenger app, and as you can see, my screen successfully locked automatically. Now to unlock my screen, I have to verify my Face ID. After verifying my Face ID, I can use or access my Messenger. So this is how we can easily lock our Facebook Messenger with Face ID on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.